Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you my Project 3 submission for the CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript course. Hope you enjoy. Hello, welcome back. We're now in the landing page where we have a bunch of text down here, but we will start off by having a look at the menu. Alright, so here we have all items present in Pinocchio's Pizza's website. But it isn't limited to that, as we can add new products from the admin interface. So let's log in either from here as admin. I'll use my password. And now instead of going to the menu, let's go to the admin interface. Alright, so here let's go over to products and add a new product. Let it be a Caesar salad. We can add a description. Let's put it under salads and add it 6.25 as an only size price. Alright, so 0 toppings and save it. Nice. So now let's go back. Let's log out and go back to the site. Now I'll register as Tom. I'll use tom@gmail.com. Password, password. And password again, and Tom Smith, for instance. Sign up. Alright, so now we're in the menu again, but the difference is that we can add products to our cart. So let's choose maybe this 3-topping regular pizza, large size, and now we have up to 3 toppings to choose. For instance, it'll be Canadian bacon, buffalo chicken, and mushrooms. And if we were to add another one, for instance pepperoni, it would say that we can because we already have 3. So as it is now, let's add it to the cart. Alright, now it's in there. So let's choose a Cherokee sub with more mushrooms. And for instance, let's choose the salad we've just created. I'll add it to the cart, and as well let's add a Sicilian special pizza, which gives you a 10% off in future purchases when you buy it. So let's add it as large and go over to the cart, and here we can remove items as well. So let's go to the checkout page. Alright, so here we have all items, 10% discount. Let's add 8664, California Avenue. I'll remember my address, random car number, date, and CVC. Let's place the order. And now we have this confirmation kind of page where we can see the status of our order, as it is pending right now. Alright, so now let me log out from here and log in again with my admin account. And now we can see the order manager. Here we have all pending orders. This should be the most recent one. So let's see the details. That is Tom Smith, exactly. And the items we've just added. Let's go back, and we can mark it as complete. So it will be marked as complete. I'll mark this one as well, and we can later on, if we wanted to, we could delete them. Alright, so let's now log out again, and that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed, and see you soon.